Hey Daniel, what's going on? My name is Aiden Resendiz here, coming to you over at Audi VW Fall River. Today showing you this absolutely gorgeous 2020 Cadillac CT5. Stay tuned, let me show you around. Alrighty Daniel, follow me around this vehicle as I show you around here. First thing you're going to notice are these gorgeous LED updated headlights coming from Cadillac here. You got the blacked out grille with that beautiful Cadillac logo. Of course, you will actually notice that you do have these fog lights as well that come down and follow that headlight design there. I think it's a really super sleek, cool design. As we move along the side of the vehicle here, you're going to see these nice smooth body lines coming throughout. This is black Raven metallic coming over from Cadillac here. Really super sleek, nice color. 20-inch spoke wheels. I think they're a really nice looking addition to this vehicle with the red calipers. Give it a little bit of pop there. Of course, you are going to have blind spot detection with rear cross traffic alert standard, as you would expect in this vehicle. Keyless entry on all four of the doors. Or actually, sorry, just the two front. Your gas tank is on the opposite side of the vehicle here. As we move around to the rear, you're going to see this super aggressive back end. I'm a huge fan of this design of this vehicle. Of course, you got the rear lip spoiler, LED tails on the back. Dual sport exhaust as well. Nice grumbling sound there coming from Cadillac. It's a 6-cylinder, but you think it was a 10 just by the way that it sounds. Plenty of trunk space back here. You do have the all-weather mats included with the vehicle as well. Backup camera, LED lights in the back. I think I mentioned that already before. Rear seating surfaces. It is a two-tone, black and beige with red stitching. Really sharp looking. I think it accents the vehicle very nicely. And then as we move along to the front, why don't I hop in this driver's seat while you'll be sitting and show you around some of the features on the inside as well. Alrighty Daniel, take a look at this beautiful interior as I sit in here and just take it all in. This vehicle is pretty much fully loaded as I'm kind of playing around with some of the buttons here. First thing you're going to notice as I kind of show you this whole cockpit area here, you do have power folding mirrors, of course, standard seat mirror and steering wheel position memory for up to 2 passengers in this vehicle. Electronic parking brake, paddle shifters. Of course, you do have this beautiful V button here that's gonna open up a little bit more of that engine to give you a little bit more horsepower there. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control standard in this vehicle, heads-up display as well, really cool option. Now your main MMI here, as we kind of move over, everything is going to be built right into the screen here. You do have navigation standard on this vehicle. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM, of course, Wi-Fi, just anything that you would expect in one of these newer vehicles is it's all connected to the digital age. Down below you got some buttons here, standard climate control, nothing too crazy there. You do have air conditioning and heated seats, overhead camera view, which comes standard on this vehicle, park assist for tight spaces and parallel parking. You do have some buttons down here as well, different driving modes. You have a sport mode, a track, snow, tour, and then a custom one that you can play around with. Automatic start stop, of course, going to be standard in this vehicle. Of course, you have a two-tone interior, a lot of carbon inlays. It's black and red. There's some on the center console here. There's some on the door cards. The red stitching accents the whole interior, the seats, the upholstery, and the dashboard as well. Accents everything nicely. Last thing I want to show you here, you got a couple buttons up top. Emergency SOS if you need police, ambulance, fire department. OnStar for roadside assistance, and then if you need just any general help with the vehicle, you can press this button here. And then this beautiful sunroof that does go all the way to the back as well. Alrighty, Daniel, I hope this video was helpful in showing you around our 2020 Cadillac CT5. If you have any additional questions or concerns, you can feel free to reach out to me directly at 774-322-1975. It's my personal cell. Be happy to go over anything question-wise that you have there. We can most certainly arrange for shipping on this vehicle. I believe you're calling from Nebraska, so a little bit of ways away from us over here in Fall River, but no worries at all. We do deal with customers all across the country all the time, so make things nice and easy for you. Again, feel free to reach out to me directly, or you can call the store at 508-678-5555. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for stopping by.